Funde isiXhosa no-Under Penguin neetshomi zakhe.
Iintsingiselo zamagama esiXhosa, Part 10. Nakhane, build each other, support one another. Nandipha, you gifted me with him or her. Ngesisa, with kindness, by grace, tenderly. Nichume, may you flourish, prosper, multiply. Niyole, may you be full of joy, be happy, rejoice. Nolwazi, she who possesses knowledge, wisdom. Nceba, mercy. Ndinani, I am with you. Neliswa, I have been satisfied. I'm content, fulfilled. Neziswa, she who has been welcomed. Njongo, intentions, a goal, aim. Ngokheli, leader. Nkosazana, princess. Ngosiphendule, the Lord has answered. Nkululeko, freedom. Nobomi, one who brings life. Nobuhle, one who possesses beauty. Nocawe, one born on a Sunday. Nocwaka, the quiet one, peaceful one. Nokhanyo, one who brings brightness. Nokuthula, one who brings tranquility, quiet. Nokwanda, the one who brings expansion, she who multiplies. Nolita, she who brings a ray of light. Nolubabalo, she who brings favor, grace. Nolukholo, she who is associated with belief, faith. Nolusindiso, she who brings salvation, redemption. Noluthando, she who brings love. Noluvo, she who has a voice, an opinion. Noluvuyo, she who brings joy, happiness. Nomabongo, she who brings pride, dignity. Nomakhepu, she brings snow, snowy girl. Nomakhwezi, she who is associated with the stars. Nomathamsanqa, she who brings good fortune, luck. Nomathemba, she who brings hope, trust. Nomawethu, of our own people, she who belongs to us. Nomaxabiso, she who has high worth, value, precious one. Nombeko, she who is associated with respect, honor. Nomfundiso, doctrine. Nomfundo, education. Nomhle, with beauty. Nomkhululi, the liberator. Nompucuko, she who is refined, cultured, sophisticated. Nompumelelo, success. Nomsa, she who brings kindness, full of grace. Nomzamo, she who tries. Nonceba, she who brings compassion, mercy. Nonqaba, she who is rare, precious, or a fortress. Nontobeko, she who brings meekness, submissiveness, humility. Nontsikelelo, blessings. Nonyameko, with endurance. Nonyaniso, with truth. Nonzokiso, glorification. Nosakhele, build for us. Nosiphiwo, the gift. Nosisi is an endearment for little sister. Noxolo, with peace. Nozibele, with kindness. Nozuko, with glory. Nabisile, has protected us, has enriched us. Ndando, will, intention, choice. Ndombebongo, girl of pride, dignity. Ndombekhaya, daughter of the household. Ndombikaise, daddy's girl. Ndombizodwa, only girls. Ndombomzi, homegirl. Nwabisa, make happy, entertainer. Nyameko, endurance, perseverance. Nyaniso, truthfulness.
Ze niphinde nibuye nizokuqhubeka ufunda isiXhosa no-Anda Penguin neetshomi zakhe. Don't forget to like and follow. Bye!